PetroChina. Here we are with this PetroChina PTR. It's always been a favorite during various market rallies. Back when we were really hot in this sector, this thing ran to full steam up here to $250, and that was a great short. 2008, it got on sale down here. Why? Because it was cheap at $50. And not only that, it is a leader. And the thing that I'm going to show specifically about this current chart is its readings are the swing low of this rally has been 114.39 to the swing high of the 4-week high is at 140.45. So if you do the math from here to that 4-week breakout with a couple of gaps in the way, if we break above here, we could break all the way up here to 147 on this thing, and we could go higher than 71% DS. There are times when it does get up in this level, however, it does get short-term overbought. Back here, well, we know what happened. It was up here at 150. We know what happened when it got overbought. It got back down to 115 here. And so it does have reversals. That was a 2011 story. The 2012 story's right up here on weekly highs. The weekly volume has been diminishing at this high above that Bollinger Band at going into resistance, meaning that the upside weekly volume should be higher in PetroChina, not lower. So we're already seeing that. But however, there was a week back in the Christmas time, you had 663,000 shares in a weekly level now. That went to 1.6, but that was diminished. So I am going to put this on our bull list. Anytime that we test these weekly moving averages, we're buyers. It's a bull trend that has to pull back. That's going to reach. That means that the upside to resistance is limited for the bull, but we will have weekly pullbacks like this. 131.18 down to the low of 115. So there are within a 10-day range. It does it over here. 135 and the low 120. It does have a $15 range in a 10-day period. So you want to run the 10-day period cycles, of course. Weekly cycle, high 131, and the weekly low 115. So when we do get overbought at resistance levels, it likes to pull back and shake the bull out and then continue on and make higher highs. Buy the pullbacks, sell short at the overbought levels. We will add PetroChina. It's part of our ADR list. We've always used it among some of the other leaders. You're about to get a weekly buy signal. If you get a weekly buy signal, the pullbacks to support will be stronger. However, any great bull rally has to have these weekly shakeouts here. 2-week shakeout, 2-week shakeout. So we're due for another one.